Alright guys, kia ora and mabuhay. Today we're doing the what? Walking. Going to Hookah Falls today. So yeah, together with our Tita Rona and Naila, Andrew, Len, Emma, and Tito Jan. Where's Tito Jan? Over there, hiding somewhere. So we will go to Hookah Falls today.
Tama pa yung gantong panahon.
Wow, ready ah. Parang lalaki ng mga bag.
Sa atin, nakakit ka rin dito.
Lakad lang kayo dyan. Go guys!
At natapilok kasama.
Wow!
Ganito po sa New Zealand.
Masaya. Walang ginagawa. Maglakad ang maglakad. Walang mall. Eh di may nagpapalutang.
Lakad-lakad lang.
May nagpapalutang. Yan. So, in front you can see the Waikato River.
From us talking, it's like, really? But you know?
Ay!
Oh.
So guys, how's the experience so far? Good? Good. How about you, Andrew? Andrew, ano ako? Seryoso si Andrew? So guys, tinglalakad na kami. Ang tataba na namin, hirap huminga. Pero kaya namin ito. Yes. 2025 is the year of fit. Amoy fit. Hindi talaga fit, kundi athletes fit. Aray ko, Vincent. So yan. Simula pa lang kami, pagod na. Kailangan na namin ng pagkain.
10 minutes pa lang po nalalakad.
Kailangan na namin ng vitamina. Good luck.
Pero masarap pag umakit sa bundok eh. Marami kang makikita mga prutas eh.
Tama. So yan.
Kaya habang nakakit ka lang, kain lang ng kain.
Kain ng kain.
Ano yung mga raspberry?
Correct. Oo, dito marami. Diba? Tito Harvey in the house. Good job, everyone. Go! Welcome to Hipapatu Reserve. Wow! Kumusta naman dyan? Pwedeng gumalaw actually.
Make a watch story.
Picture, baby. Anong iyong experience? Kamusta naman?
Nakakapagod pero ayos naman po.
Kamusta naman ang ate?
May magandang picture.
Maganda, di ba? Sulit, di ba?
Opo.
So, ayayahan mo ng ating mga kababayan sa Batangas.
Ay, Parmina!
Ay, Parmina! Ay, talaga namang napagkaginanda eh. Mantakin nyo ka naman. Mantakin nyo ka. Napagkagananda.
Ay pagkaganda rin naman ang ating dadaan. Hindi ka mapapagod.
Hindi ka mapapahiya.
Ay hindi talaga. Hindi naman.
Nainama naman eh.
Buti na lang eh, hanggang 5 a.m. ako naglalakad. Para na-exercise na ako.
Tama, kaya natin ere. So
natin to.
malapit-lapit na kami sa Hookah Falls. Papakita namin ipapatanaw namin sa inyo. Yun. Wow. Mga hikers, oh guys. Guys.
Kaya namin.
Ala, yun oh. Yeah, ganang kalaki ang redwoods. Oh, ang laki, no?
Redwood.
Yeah.
Singlewood.
Singlewood. It's so big. Look at that, guys. It's so big. Oh.
Para sa ano, yung 10 puno na nagdikit-dikit.
Sa Pilipinas, yung makita mo yan, ay nakatira dyan.
Ala, sa Pilipinas hindi tatagal, putol. Luluto ka.
Redwood nga siya, ano?
Oo.
Galing. Coromandel, maganda.
Kaso ang problema sa Coromandel, daan at saka pag So guys, we're about to arrive here in Hookah Falls. Yeah, we're so tired. Look at their faces. Oh, nakay-smile pa din, pero andito na kami, pagod. Pero kaya namin ito, ginusto namin yan. Oh, ito lang yan guys. Pak. Hookah Falls is just there. Yeah. Nakatapos na kami, andito na kami sa Hookah Falls and pabalik na kami ng town. Yay! Pagod na.
Maglolomi na.
Pagod na mga otachi. Look at that. Oh, ito mga itsura. Oh, pak. Oh, no. Pagod na lahat. So, let's see kung sinong bibigay sa daan. Kung sino ang makakalanghap ng efficacent oil. Laban.
Down, like, you know, ready.
White flower.
So guys, we're done with the Hookah Falls. We already finished Hookah Falls. So we're on our way back to Spa Park, where we park our car. Tiring, but it's worth it, I guess. Especially like us who never had our exercise for a long time. So look at those people. They're really enjoying it. See, they're right there. They're walking all the way to Hookah Falls, and so proud that everyone can, you know, manage to survive. We're almost more than an hour walking, but yeah, I think another 30 minutes probably. It depends, and let's see. Yeah. How's your experience?
It was really good.
Yeah.
Thank you for the great experience here, really.
Tiring?
Yeah.
Tiring but
But
fun. Yeah. Ang saya-saya. Woohoo! Well done, baby. So it's the experience. Oh, para pagod na. Patuhod kaya yan. Aba, kinaya rin. Ang papayat. Well done, everybody.